What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Ackeem started here. Now in this video I'm gonna go through 5 of the best thumbnail maker that you guys can use to create some cool and interesting design thumbnail for your YouTube channel. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep on watching. Now the first one on my list is called Canva. Now Canva is basically a free and easy to use software, mainly because of its functionality where you can drag and drop different image, different text, and also it comes with a lot of template in which you can choose from. So with Canva, you don't have to start from scratch, and also come with built-in thumbnail in which you can start by just a simple click and edit your photos or your image and add text and those things to your thumbnail. So it's basically simple to use if you're a person who don't have any knowledge in graphic designing. Also with Canva, it comes with some different pro features, so if you're interested to pay to unlock that, it's your choice. But the free version is pretty good, where you can also develop and create those thumbnails. So you can basically access the software at canva.com. So what you can do is go online and search for canva.com and register to start using their product. Also, you can download the app on your mobile device, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android. Now the second app on my list that I personally recommend is called PicMonkey. Now PicMonkey is also a free software that you can use, right? So you can use PicMonkey to do all those type of overlays, those fonts, add graphics, add image to your photos, and all those pretty and cool look that you can make your thumbnail stands out from the rest. So basically simple to use, similar to Canva, but it has some little features where you can have those pop effects of text to make it look very attractive. So guys, the next app on my list is called Fotor. Now Fotor is basically a simple and easy to use thumbnail maker in which you can develop some cool and interesting features, such as some pre-design where you can also add some effects, some imagery to your thumbnail, so it make it stands out and give you some pre-design. Also, the thing that I love about Photo is basically it store your photos in the cloud, so if you might delete your thumbnail, you can also access it easily. And also with Photor, it's give you some pre-design, so you don't have to start from scratch. So basically simple to use, so you can also check it out also. Now the next app on my list that I personally recommend is PicArt, and the reason I recommend this app because it gives me a variety of features where I can choose from. With PicArt, I have more control over my design. So basically I use PicArt to cut out the image from the background, or to put highlight around my image and add text and all those things. So basically PicArt give me a more control over when I'm editing. I show you guys basically how I cut out my image from the background. So you might want to check out that video where you guys can see how I achieve that. So basically that's the reason why I recommend PicArt. Now some of the features on PicArt is free, but it also comes with some pro features and pro functionality. Now you can get this app to download whether you're on Android or on iOS. Now the next one on my list that I personally recommend is Phonto. And the reason why I recommend Phonto is basically it's a text-based app where you can add some cool and interesting text to make it look pop on your thumbnail. So basically personally I use Phonto to develop my thumbnail. Most of my thumbnail that you see, like these thumbnail that you see, I use Phonto to develop those thumbnail. Right, so it's an interesting app where you can use to develop all these cool and interesting look to make it look pop. And the thing I love about Phonto is that the text, it gives you a variety of options where you can add text, you can add image, you can change the size, you can tilt it, you can add colors, you can add filters, you can add image, and all those things you can think of with Phontos. Yes guys, so those are the apps that I recommend that you guys should be using to create those awesome thumbnails. Now let me know guys if your app is on this list, and if it's not, let me know in the comment section which of the app you guys use to create your thumbnail. So I hope you guys know I've discovered your app that you'll be using to create your awesome thumbnail. And remember, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I see you in the next one. Peace out.